Hi everybody, I am Stephane Tremblay, President of the SDVoE Alliance, and we are at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. So here with me I have Chris Langford from HighSecLabs. Chris, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
All right, so you have a special product out of the SDVoE technology. Please tell us about this.
So for our customers, they have unique needs when it comes to encryption and certain protections. They're very interested in air gapping networks and things of that nature. So we've developed some technology that's complementary to the SDVoE products. What we're showing here is our new encryption technology. We're encrypting 4K video over HDMI with AES-256 encryption, soon to be FIPS 140-3 certified, over HDMI. And then we're decrypting it here with zero loss and zero latency.
Yeah,
so, as you can see here, we've got the source, we've got the encrypted version here, a little bit of artifacting so you could still see that it's the same video, and then decrypted here. So if you stopped your video, you'd see that there's zero latency between these. Yes. Yeah, we're incorporating that into our IP-KVM matrix that we're leveraging SDVoE technology for.
That's quite good. Let's see how it works in terms of user, in terms of the graphic interface for it.
All right, very good. You'll accompany me? So in the rack here, this is basically simulating the data center environment, right? So we have all of our sources here. They're connected to the TX units, but before that, we have an isolator. It's an NIAP certified isolator that is doing the encryption that we're talking about here. Currently, it's doing the HID encryption. All right, so we're encrypting all of the HID traffic with AES-256 encryption, and it's end-to-end encryption. So from the source all the way to the workstation, it's encrypted, and then it becomes decrypted after it's extended with an isolator there as well. So those sources connect through the IP-KVM matrix. Here we have the workstation setup. We're using one of our NIAP certified KVM products. We call it the Combiner. It has the multi-view capabilities, as you can see here. But we have all these receivers as sources to the KVM, and then the output is going to the screen you see here. One thing that's unique is our isolators have been used with other products, but we have sometimes an issue with people bypassing that protection layer that's been put in place for whatever reason. So what we've done is we've married the isolator to the extender. So if you see the screen over here, you can see across the top we have all of our receivers, and on the left hand going down you see all the transmitters. So you can see the RX units across the top and the TX units on the side. But when I unplug one, it'll go red, and then it'll disappear from the list. So it's no longer available because the protection's been removed, right? But simply by plugging it back in, it'll repopulate there. The other thing that we've done is we've developed our own OSD. So if you can see here, this being the primary receiver that we're working with here, we have full HID control. We could actually switch between different RX units with our combiner, but by simply pulling up the OSD, you can see we can actually see the lists of different presets and as well as sources. So with SDVoE, we enjoy our very fast switching with one mode, and then we can also call up our presets here. So you could have different RX to TX combinations shown there. In addition, we've incorporated the presets as well as the permissions. The permissions, you can specify which RX units you connect to which TX units for video only or HID control or both. So you can specify things here in case there's a workstation that maybe doesn't need access to certain sources.
That's quite impressive. And HighSecLabs itself is a company really used to segregated networks and very high security stuff.
Yeah, we believe that we've developed the first IP-KVM matrix that's built to be a multi-domain from the ground up, okay, without just augmenting existing things. So it's a little different approach from an architecture standpoint, but by leveraging this, from an architectural standpoint, it very much simplifies the whole deployment as well as the certification process that our customers have to go through to have this incorporated into their network.
Yes, yes. Well, Chris, how can we learn more about HighSecLabs?
we would invite you to reach out to us, go to our website, and we're here at booth 5757 if this is going out before the end of the show. But otherwise, please contact us through our website, HighSecLabs.com, and we're happy to engage with you guys and discuss your specific scenario.
All right. Thank you, Chris.
Stephane, pleasure. Thank you.